Do you still play cricket?
No, I haven't played in a while.
What were you all doing together?
You were all doing the chores together.
What were the children doing in the park?
They work playing hide and seek.
What was Sonu doing?
He was drinking water.
Did you visit a museum last month?
No, I didn't visit any museum.
Did you read a book before bedtime?
Yes, I read a novel.
Where did you meet your best friend?
I met them at school.
Did you help your parents with chores?
Yes, I helped with the disease.
Where did you go on your last birthday?
I went to a restaurant.
Do you listen to me music in the car?
Yes, I listened to my favorite songs.
Did you visit the zoo last summer?
No, I didn't go to the zoo.
What did you draw in your art class?
I drew a beautiful sunset.
Did you bike to the park yesterday?
Yes, I rode my bike.
What did you bake for the bake sale?
I baked cookies.
What are you thinking?
I'm contemplating my plans for the weekend.
Do you work in that building?
Yes, I work on the 5th floor.
Does he have any ideas for the project?
He has some interesting ideas for the project.
How did she know I was here?
I am not sure about this.
Can I have a cake?
Of course, you can have a piece of cake.
Why do you ask me that question?
Because I am curious about your opinion.
What's on your hat?
There's a flower pinned to my hat.
Are you at Jim's house?
Yes, I'm currently at Jim's house.
Do you see the calendar here?
Yes, the calendar is right here.
Is your company still recruiting?
I'm not sure if my company is still recreating.
How do you see me today?
I see you as a good friends.
Do you know the brand of this car?
Yes, it's a Toyota.
Shall I come to your house to play?
Sure, I'd love to come over and play.
Why are you cranky?
I'm not cranky, just a bit tired.
Can we enter this room?
Yes, you can enter this room.
When will that movie start?
The movie will start at 7 p.m.
Where did you buy your new shoes?
I bought them at the store.
Did you swim in the pool on a hot day?
No, I didn't swim.
Did you play with your dog in the garden?
Yes, I played fetch.
What did you have for dessert at the?
I had ice cream.
What were you doing yesterday evening?
I was cooking dinner.
Did you go for a walk in the evening?
No, I stayed home.
Were you sleeping last night?
No, I was reading a book.
What was she making for breakfast?
She was frying eggs.
Were they playing when it rained?
Yes, they were playing.
Did you watch a fireworks display?
Yes, I watch a fireworks.
Have you booked a table yet?
No, I haven't booked a table yet.
Who did the laundry?
My mom did the laundry yesterday.
Where are you flying to today?
I am flying to New York today.
Did you come to borrow books too?
Yes, I come to borrow books too.
Are you in the library?
No, I'm in the bookstore.
Do you feel regretful?
No, I don't feel regretful.
Are you in trouble?
No, I'm not in trouble.
Can I go to that restaurant tomorrow?
Yes, you can go to that restaurant tomorrow.
What do you do for fun their days?
I've been reading more and trying out some new recipes.
How is your family doing?
They're doing well, thanks for asking.
Have you read any interesting books lately?
No, I haven't had much time for reading. Have you?
What was Winnie doing?
She was stitching her new dress.
Did you water the plants in your garden?
No, I forgot to water them.
Where did you find your lost keys?
I found them in the kitchen.
What did you drink with dinner last night?
I had water.